Hi, welcome to my first ever PR unboxing. Okay, so the first box we have is from Foxtail. They have sent me their hydrating cleanser, then their vitamin C brightening serum. Oh, I love this serum. It's so good. It's very good for your pigmentations and everything. And then we have the Glow sunscreen, which has SPF 50 with PA 4 pluses. Then my go-to moisturizer. This is really good for people who have acne prone, oily skin. So it's really good. It has those pearls inside it. Ooh, I love the packaging. This looks so cool. Then I have this box from Skoho. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Ooh, look at this. We have more skincare. Wow. There's this lavender body wash. Ooh, so pretty. It's gonna look so good on my shelf. There's this vitamin C face serum and plant-based retinol serum. It's said to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Then there's a face cleanser. It's a gentle face cleanser with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. ये मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा सा लीक हो रहा है क्योंकि ये थोड़ा स्टिकी है या थोड़ा सा लीक हुआ है बट आई थिंक वो शायद शिपिंग के टाइम पे थोड़ा हो गया होगा. Other than that, I love the packaging, man. It's so colorful. Then there's this hair perfume which is there all over the internet. So I couldn't wait and I just opened it up because I wanted to try it out. This is their wildflower variant. They have another variant as well. But this smells so good. Okay, then there's this parcel from Garnier. This was sent to me during Diwali. But उस time पे I was too busy with the festive content and everything, तो ये रह गया. There's this very cute potli and what is this? Ooh, this is a mirror. Wow, you just look at it, how pretty this is. Ooh, there's this Gajra wala rubber band also. I've always wanted one. Then finally their hair color. This is in the shade caramel brown. Nice color to use. Finally, there's this box from Blair. So they have sent me. Oh, their rosemary shampoo. I've heard so much about this range, man, and their rosemary oil shots. That is it for this reel. I'm really grateful for these brands to send these over. I'm going to try these products and give my word on my story. So don't forget to stick around and follow for more.